Hello, everybody. Here is your next challenge. This one we're going to be using a new tool on our Vex VR robot, and our goal is to pick up some metal discs and move them around. All right. This is what our playground's going to look like. You can see we have three different color squares. Those will be starting points or finishing points. And then we have the dots. The dots represent the metal disc. Now, what we're going to be able to do is we're going to be able to use the robot to go out and pick those things up and then bring them back to one of the circles. You're going to be doing both level 1 and level 2 for this. The first level, using the electromagnet, pick up and place 3 discs of any color into any color goal. With this, what you're going to be doing is I recommend starting with the blue. Your robot's automatically going to start in the blue. That's where it shows up first. So you're going to go up, grab a disc, bring it back, and you're going to repeat this process until you have all 3 discs in this area right here, the blue area. Now that's level 1. I think you guys will find this probably fairly easy. The second one, using the electromagnet, pick up and place 1 disc of each color inside the matching color goals. Each color goal should have 1 disc matching the color of the goal to complete this challenge. So for level 2, your robot's going to start here, go out, pick up a blue disc, bring it back, go over to red, pick up a red disc, bring it back, go over to green, pick up a green disc, bring it back. All right, so you're going to do both levels for this assignment. Let me demonstrate level 1 for you. You see, we'll hit play. You can see our little robot go. He brings back a disc, drops it off, grabs another one, drops it off, and then the third and the final disc, and drops it off. And that's what level 1 is. All right, let me show you the new tools we're going to use to do that. Now, when you start to do this, you saw my robot moved quickly. Remember, in order to make that happen, we're going to set the drive velocity and the turn velocity, and we're going to make those both 100. Now, we need to have our robot move from this area up here. So once again, we're familiar with these tools. We're going to grab the drive. And with that, we'll set the distance on there. And then we're going to have them turn around. And then the last part, we want him to pick up the disc. If you go under the drivetrain, you go here and you follow it right down, you get to this part right here where it says magnet. Underneath there, this is what allows us to pick those up. One that says energize. We can grab that, bring it over here, and we have 2 things to do with this. We have the magnet, and boost means it's turning on. If we click on drop, it will be turning off and dropping off the disc. So now let's just go back a little bit after we do this, and we'll run our program. I did this on purpose like this to show you. You can see the robot didn't pick up the disc. It's very important that we put this part correct in order, in a correct order. So it has to happen before the drive gets there. All right. And the same thing, if this can be, we can have the program written correctly, but if this isn't in the correct order, you can see it won't pick up the disc. So it's easy to fix. I'm just going to grab those. We'll separate that one. We can bump this up to here. Put all those back in place. Now, when we restart it, it will go up, it will grab the magnet, and it will bring it back. And then we'll just drop it off there and we'll repeat that process again. All right, so I think this is something that you guys will be able to accomplish fairly quickly. Remember, you're going to turn in both level 1 and level 2, where you pick up one of each color. Um, Kind of the easiest way for me is if you can go to save to your device, and then where that file saves, you attach that to the assignment. All right. If you're using your own home computer, you might find it in downloads on the Chromebook. I think it's in recents in your Google Drive, and you're going to attach that there. Once, if you can't do that, if something happens where it's not letting you save it to your device, then make a screencastify. I think I showed you guys how to do that, um, and turn that in, or at the very least, use your phone or some device to record that and then turn that in to me that way. All right, whatever works, just try to show me what you're doing. All right, I hope everyone has good luck with this. If you do have any questions, shoot me an email. If you really, really don't understand it and you want to do a Zoom meet to help, because you need help, that's fine as well. Uh, just set one of those up, shoot me an email for that. We'll figure out a time that works for both of us and we'll make that happen. Hope everyone has a great day. Good luck.